Sarah. And finally guys, masusot ko na tong romper na to. Ayun, so this is my 4th day here in Batanes, and tomorrow on my birthday I am going back to Pampanga. Oh no! So, ayun, so for today guys, I am going on a tour sa South Batan, and I am going to explore everything sa south ng Batanes for the entire day. And I am just waiting for Kuya na magtutour sa akin. So, I am very, very excited, and also because I wanted to take some good photos for myself. And also because I really want to explore the south of Batanes. I will see you guys later sa pagpunta ko doon. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mapupuntahan namin. Okay, bye! Walang entrance fee. Dapat lang daw marunong kang lumangoy, sabi ni ate. And it's so pretty. Wow, guys, walang entrance fee. So pretty! Ang ganda! So guys, usually, ito daw place na to is packed siya ng mga tao. Pero dahil sa virus, ako muna yung tourist dito. Look at that water, guys! Look at that. I can live here forever. Nandito kami sa Spanish Bridge. Bakit siya tinawag na ganun, te?
Dahil dati, ano dyan, dagat pa yan. Then, yung dalawang barangay, pinagbugtong. Para yung ilang barangay makasimba sa San Jose. And then, yung bridge na to, pinatong-patong lang na bato. Wala pang simento nun. Amod ang ginamit. Amod. Yung dinurog na ano. Na siyang puti.
Coral. Ay, putik.
Bato. Then, may halong konting tubig.
So this is House of Dakay, guys.
Dakay, ugali ng Israel. Yung ugali ng bahay. Namatay na yung si Ma'am Israel.
Ah, ugali nung?
Yung Dakay is
Ano ibig
ugali,
sabihin?
dadakay.
Ah, House of Ugali, parang ganun.
Ugali na yung magpa-araw dati. Kasi galing dito, dagat pa nun.
Oh. So, ito yung bahay. Then, pwede daw pumasok, but you need to remove your shoes. Be taking pictures and inside and be using of Yucatan traditional headdress. Please remove your footwear. Okay, so I am currently removing my shoes. Ito si nanay.
A few moments later.
Andito na tayo sa famous honesty shop. Coffee shop ng Batanes. And we're gonna explore it inside. Ayo, pasok tayo sa loob. A couple of old people own this store. Buy and you're helping them. Thank you. Aww. Be honest, even if others are not, even others will not, even if others cannot. Aww. So, ayan guys. Ito yung bibilin ko. And actually, gusto ko pang bumili ng isang ganito. Kaya lang, buo na yung pera ko. So, hindi naman, ang pangit lang talaga dito sa honesty shop. Walang panakli. So, ayan. So, lalagay ko na lahat to. Let's drop it here. Kasi 319 binili ko. So, may 400 pesos. Drop natin. Tapos, we need to write sa logbook. Nandito tayo guys sa Muchong Viewpoint. Ayan. I heart Tuyugan. And look. Entering the Madangay Point.
shining bright like a shadow shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything be such a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. Even if you drift and fall, look down up and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming.
So we're now here at Raku Payaman, which is the Marlboro. Wow. So beautiful. Wow. Ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Marlboro Hills. Hi guys, so we're here now at Marlboro Hills and it's so wonderful, guys. So mas maganda pa sana to kung merong sun, kaya lang since medyo cloudy today, wala tayong maaasang sun ngayon. Pero I super love it. I'm speechless. It's really beautiful. And fortunately, ako lang yung tao dito kasi saga ng lockdown sa Manila ngayon. So
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shadow shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything be such a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting.
okay guys, so we're going to Tide Lighthouse. Okay.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shadow shine.
So, dito tayo maglalunch, guys. Here's what we're going to We're here at San Carlos Borromeo
Ito yung
Parish.
old lighthouse, Spanish lighthouse.
Oh.
Kasi dito, dagat pa to dati, yung mga bahay na yan.
Oh?
So, ito yung lighthouse nun.
Oh.
Panahon pa ng mga Espanyol. Ay, buksan mo na.
Sarado.
Wala, sarado. So, may
Kahit sa
babalikan
loob?
ka pa sa Batangas.
Yan. Ano yung pupuntahan ko dito, te?
Blank book art.
Blank book na
Art.
para susulatan, di ba? Para sa experience
para sa mga experience mo sa Batanes.
Oo, ayun. Kaya lang nakasarado.
Tapos, ililipat yan sa National Museum.
Ay, bakit hindi ako na? Sulat
Pagbalik
mo na
mo.
lang yung akin. Ayun, so sayang hindi ako nakapagsulat, guys, kasi sarado since konti lang daw yung turista ngayon. So that's so sad. And it's really raining right now, so we're gonna go back. Dun sa kinainan, Polbanas.
Polbanas. Okay ba?
Oo, masarap naman siya, te. Pero bakit halos lahat ng tour namin para naka-prepared na yung food?
Asset meal kasi dito sa South Nakasabtang walang mga kainan na iba.
Oo. So, ayun. Limited yung... Wala kang choice kundi kainin kung ano yung naka-prepare. Pero masarap naman siya, guys.
Yan yung sikat na kainan dito sa South.
Sikat na kainan.
Oo. Polbanas.
Polbanas. Masarap naman siya. 300 pesos.
Sa bayan pa sila namimili ng mga
Oo. Ang pagkain. Oo. Kaya naka-prepared na yung food na kakainin nyo. Pero yun lang. Kasi hindi ako ganun katakap. Hindi ko talaga siya maubos. Pero trinay ko naman. Hi guys! So, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and this is my last night here in Batanes. So, lalabas ako ngayon guys at kakain ako sa Pension Ibatan. So, we'll see you guys there. Bye!
Dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the fire, and everything.
Okay guys, so ito yung mga pagkain nila dito. So ito guys yung kakainin ko today. Mr. Rice, cute! Okay guys, so I am now back here at Marples Lodge. So, kakatapos ko lang kumain guys sa Pension Ibatan. So, masarap yung pagkain. Tapos, sobrang ganda ng serving nila, kung paano nila inayos. And super unique kasi nakalagay dun sa kaserola yung kanin. Medyo sad lang na ako lang kumakain dun yung time na yun. And knowing na dinner na yun, pero wala pa din pupunta. So, ayun, masarap yung food guys. So if you're gonna visit Batanes, try nyo kumain doon kasi malapit lang siya sa Marples Lodge. So walking distance lang siya. Siguro mga wala mang 2 minutes or 1 minute nandun na kayo. So ayan, tomorrow guys is my last day here in Batanes and pupunta ako ng Spring of Youth. Tapos after nun, diretso na ako ng airport. So babalik na ako ng Clark and I will face the reality of the NCOB.
Oh
so,
no!
I know that God is with me and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!